This video will show you how to set up the PowerSchool mobile app. It is important to know that you will need to have already set up your access to the online PowerSchool Parent Portal before attempting to use the mobile app. If you haven't already done so, please watch this video found at andalusiacityschools.schoolinsights.com. Once your online account has been created in the Parent Portal, you are ready to download the PowerSchool mobile app. This app can be found in both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. After downloading the app, you will have the option to allow PowerSchool notifications. Those notifications include alerts when your child's grades have been updated. Next, you'll be asked for your district code. The district code for Andalusia City Schools is FDNT. After entering the district code, click Continue. Finally, you'll be asked to sign in to the app. To do this, enter the username and password that you chose when setting up the online portal, then click Go. You will now see your student's PowerSchool dashboard. If you have more than one student associated with your account, you can toggle between students by clicking the drop-down menu at the top right corner. You will also be able to view different grading periods. Next, course tiles display current averages. To view individual assignments and teacher comments, click on the course tile. At the bottom of the screen, you can view assignment and attendance information as well as your child's schedule. Thank you for setting up the PowerSchool mobile app.